In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Markdown in Notion with our simple Notion tutorial for beginners. If you're new to Notion or just looking to streamline your formatting process, learning how to utilize Markdown can be a game changer. So let's get started and transform your Notion workspace efficiently. First, you want to open a text block in Notion. This is your starting point where you'll input your content. If you're unfamiliar with text blocks, simply navigate to your Notion page and click where you'd like to add your text. You'll see a little line or a plus sign that indicates where you can type. It's as easy as clicking there to start your new text block. Picture this text block as a blank slate, ready to be transformed with your Markdown elements to make your content more organized and visually appealing. Next, we dive into typing your Markdown. Markdown is a lightweight markup language that allows you to format text quickly and easily. For example, if you want to make your text bold, you would type 2 asterisks on either side of your word or phrase like this. Example. For italics, you'd use a single asterisk or underscore on each side, such as example. You might find that adding these symbols takes a little practice, but it's quite intuitive once you get the hang of it. Think of it as giving your text instructions on how you'd like it to appear. Now, once you've typed your Markdown, the next step is to press space or enter. And like magic, Notion will automatically format your text for you. It's a simple yet powerful way to visualize your text as you intended. This transformation happens instantly and allows you to see how your formatted text looks in real time, saving you from additional formatting clicks or menu navigation. Moving on, you can enhance your document further by using headers, lists, and quotes with simple Markdown symbols. If you wish to create a header, you would start your line with one or more hash symbols. The number of hash symbols corresponds to the level of the header. For example, a single hash creates the largest header, and more hashes decrease header size, like this. Large header. Creating lists is just as straightforward. Start your line with a hyphen or asterisk for a bullet point, such as list item. If you want to add a quote, simply begin your line with a greater than symbol like this. Quote. This is an excellent way to emphasize important information or organize your content more effectively. And there you have it, a straightforward approach to using Markdown in Notion. By mastering these simple tools, you can better manage and beautify your projects, notes, or any text-related tasks quickly. Thanks for joining this tutorial, and happy formatting in Notion.